Hello faculty, my name is Samar Pratik Dalal and this is my lab prep demonstration video. So as per the instruction, initially we had to create the pick and place program. So I created the pick and place program and jogged my robot to the crouch position and added a joint move to it. And then I jogged it to the pick position as per the instruction and added a linear movement to it. Then above the pick and place, which is this movement, I had to add the offset. So like I have added the offset to it, and below it I also need to add the offset as in the linear movement. At the end of the program, I had to jog the robot to the home position or the initial position, so I added the joint move for it. So I'll show you how the pick and place program works. This is how the pick and place program works. So now I'll switch it to the stamp program. Yeah, so same thing goes for the stamp program. So like I jog the robot to the crouch position and add a joint move to it. Then as per the stamp position given in the instruction, as per the image I added the stamp position to it, and then afterwards I'll added above the stamp position I added the offsets, which is in the tool 1. In the previous pick and place program it was the world offset, but in this one it's tool offset. So above it and below it I added the tool offset, and to get back to the initial position or the home position I added the joint move. So we'll see how the program works. After this it will come back to the initial position. That's it. This is my final prep program. Thank you.